Hi, welcome to our channel, and this is me, Henry, and this is my brother Leon.
Hi everyone. So today we'll be making a videos of unboxing Lego Star Wars sets ATTE Walker 75337. It has 1082 pieces total, including with 8 minifigures with spider droids. The price of the box this set is cost $140, and you can buy it at the Target. So I'll be making an unboxing of it. Please watch till the end. So we got the instruction book.
Yeah, too big. Position 6. Wait, 1, 2. Oh, there's too many.
Yeah, many of them. Yeah, we got all of them.
Yeah. Oh, there's many.
More small packages. So yeah, that's all. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7,
8, 9, and 10.
10 package altogether.
And an instruction book.
Yeah. It's interesting. Yeah,
So yeah, here instruction books.
Yeah.
So here,
Introduction.
yeah, many pages to build them.
See that?
So here, where you just read the instruction and do all the building parts.
It's it. Yeah.
Here, so yeah, many pages.
Yeah.
So these are the
All
all
pieces.
to build the Lego ATTE walkers.
Yeah.
So this set was released in last year, 2023,
Yeah.
and it has the better model of ATTE than the last old one, 2013 version. Also, Commander Cody, which is a new minifigures, released in last year, 2023.
Yeah, he's a commander of 212 Legion troopers. Yeah.
Yes. So this is the results of the building ATTE walkers. It has 8 minifigures, including the homing spider droids. So you can open the cockpit of a driver by just pulling out of it, where you put the driver here, and
You
just
can turn around this one too.
yeah, a cannon around, and you can move this tiny turrets
Yeah.
around. Also, you can open inside of it, which is that you can put like many people, especially users, around like 10 people.
Yeah.
Also, you can open this behind cockpit, where you just put more people inside here. And you can move around those legs.
Yeah, turn around anything you want.
And turn around anything you want. And also you can move this balls turret. So this is the Lego Commander Cody. The rest are his troopers, and this is a driver. And these are battle droids, B1 battle droids, and this is a homing spider droids.
Thank you for watching our video today, and in next episode we are getting more and more, and please help us to grow, getting sub faster and faster.
And also please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.